Now it's time to install the threaded inserts into the body parts. You already know the drill, so let's get started. Let's start with the body from the file o201base.stl. It has 3 insert slots on the top. Let's hot thread them. One on the right side, one on the left side, and 2 slots inside the body. That's it for this element. Now let's take the electronics holder. It has 3 insert slots on the left side, and the same 3 on the right, completely symmetrical. And that's all for this element as well. Next is the part with 8 holes on the top. Make sure to install the inserts only into the 4 smaller slots. Here is how it should look once it's done. Now take the cooling fan mount. It has 4 insert slots on the flat side, and another 2 on the bottom side. When finished, there should be 6 inserts in total. Finally, we have 4 identical rectangular elements. Each one has a single insert slot on the side, and one more on the top. And that's it, everything is ready. Now let's assemble these parts together.